How to get more reservations on Uber. Locate busy hotspots in your city where there are more passengers than drivers. Positioning yourself in these areas increases your chances of getting ride requests. Keep your car moving instead of staying parked idle to attract more ride offers from Uber's algorithm. Maintain a high acceptance rate and driver rating by accepting rides and providing excellent service, as Uber rewards reliable drivers with more reservation opportunities. Be online and ready about 40 minutes before scheduled reservation pickup times to qualify for more reserved rides. Avoid last-minute cancellations, especially within 1 hour of the trip, to keep your eligibility for future reservations intact. Arrive early for your scheduled reservation pickups to maintain a good standing with Uber's reservation system. Use the Uber Reserve feature to accept pre-scheduled rides, and be sure to be online at least 1 hour before the ride to guarantee your spot. Engage professionally with riders, keep your vehicle clean, and encourage positive feedback to improve your affinity score and increase reservation chances. Subscribe.